In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new slide in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll know the quickest shortcut and two reliable menu options, so you can work the way that feels most natural to you. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. Open it from your Applications menu or taskbar like you normally would. If you see the Start screen, that's just the welcome area where you can jump into a recent presentation or begin a new one. Next, either open an existing file or create a new presentation. If you already have a deck you're working on, choose it and let it load. If you're starting fresh, create a new blank presentation or pick a template. Once you're in the main editing view, you'll see the slides pane on the left with thumbnails, your main slide canvas in the center, and toolbars along the top. Now for the fastest method. Use the keyboard shortcut to add a slide instantly. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+M. On Mac OS, press Command+M. A new slide appears right after the slide you currently have selected. If placement matters, click the slide you want the new one to follow in the slides pane first, then use the shortcut. This is great when you're moving quickly and don't want to break your flow. If you prefer using menus, there's a clear option there too. Go to the menu bar at the top, click Slide, and choose New Slide. The result is the same. Impress inserts a new slide directly after the one you had selected. This approach is handy if you're still learning shortcuts or you just like seeing the command before you use it. There's also a convenient right-click method from the Slides pane. Find the thumbnail of the slide after which you want the new one to appear, right-click it, and select New Slide from the context menu. This is especially useful if you're reviewing your deck from the thumbnails and want precise control over where the slide is inserted without switching your focus to the main canvas or the top menu. Whichever method you choose, you'll see the new slide appear in the list on the left, usually with a default layout ready for you to add content. If you're not seeing the change, make sure you've selected a slide in the Slides pane before adding the new one, since Impress inserts the slide based on that selection. That's all there is to it. You now know the shortcut, the menu path, and the right-click option to add a new slide in LibreOffice Impress quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your presentation.